Following up on a great pair of earbuds can be surprisingly daunting. Their goal is to enhance everything possible while keeping what people already love. That's exactly where Technics found itself with the $299.99 Technics AZ100 earbuds announced at CES 2025. Their last flagship, the AZ80, impressed with rich sound and the rare ability to pair with 3 devices simultaneously. Now the AZ100s aim to push those strengths further with more dynamic audio, longer battery life, and improved active noise cancellation. Technics even rethought the core sound. Inside the AZ100s are new magnetic fluid drivers. Yes, there's actually liquid in there. An oily substance with magnetic particles sits between the driver magnet and voice coil, reducing distortion and increasing clarity beyond the AZ80s. The bass digs deeper, making for an even more impactful sound. While the difference isn't drastic, the AZ100s offer more depth and bass. That alone may not be a reason to upgrade, but thankfully, the refinements extend to the design as well. The AZ100s are less bulbous than their predecessors. Gone is the visible mic inlet that gave the AZ80s a distinct look, making these a bit more nondescript. However, the smaller size means a more comfortable fit. The case is also slightly more pocketable, though only noticeably so when placed side by side with the previous model. Durability remains the same with an IPX4 water resistance rating. If the sound signature isn't quite right, users can choose between multiple EQ presets or save 3 custom modes. While we don't dive into frequency charts, we've tested enough earbuds to recognize quality, and these rank among the best. Alongside the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 4, they even surpassed the AirPods Pro 2 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro in sound performance. Supported Bluetooth codecs include LDAC and LC3 by LE Audio, making the AZ100s compatible with future Auracast tech. Technics has also embraced spatial audio. The companion app now includes a Dolby Vision toggle with optional head tracking for a more immersive experience. While some people enjoy this feature for specific songs, others may prefer to ignore it, but the option's there. The Technics app is packed with settings beyond just customizing controls or adjusting transparency mode. Users can fine-tune noise cancellation with a dedicated slider, enable automatic switching between connected devices, and even test mic quality by recording their own voice. It's a lot and can feel overwhelming for non-techies, but it's impressive how much control Technics provides. ANC performance is solid, though choosing the right ear tips is key. It doesn't quite match Bose's Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds, which remain the gold standard for noise cancellation, but the AZ100s hold their own while delivering superior sound. Call quality is also reliable, with Technics Voice Focus AI effectively isolating voices from background noise. Callers noted a slight robotic quality in loud environments, but speech remained clear. One standout feature remains: 3-way multi-point connectivity. While most people juggle only 2 devices, those who frequently use 3 will appreciate this unique capability. Just note that LDAC can't be used in this mode, likely due to Bluetooth limitations. Battery life has also been extended. Expect up to 10 hours of playback with ANC enabled, plus an additional 28 hours from the case. Like their predecessors, the AZ100s focus on delivering top-tier audio while offering something AirPods and Galaxy Buds don't: the 3-way multi-point. Now, they're smaller, more comfortable, and last longer. If you don't need the 3-way connectivity, the $300 price tag might feel steep. But in a market where unique features are rare, Technics flagship buds continue to stand out.